Now we are talking about corrosion consideration. Corrosion is a natural process. Always metals oxidized. When that oxidation creates the gradual destruction of the materials, means metal. Okay. So this is a chemical reaction, oxidation in the environment, and it is impossible to control the corrosion, but we can mitigate the corrosion. By that we will be able to control it. Okay. So the corrosion conditions come so many different ways. Okay. And those are by temperatures, surroundings, and other kind of galvanic currents and all that. It creates the corrosion. So there is corrosion, how it happens, what is the rate, and this different kind of systems in the system. Okay. The uniform corrosion is one form of the corrosion. Okay. This is a uniform corrosion is on the basis of whatever it is being oxidized and how that is oxidized and how much it is, at what rate it will be corroded. So if the surface of the metal exposed to a particular contact or electrolyte, the corrosion rate of the anodic metal will be increased, and the metal lower in the electrochemical series and readily act as a cathode. So anodic and cathodic reactions or the situations will create the corrosion. Corrosion rates are usually expressed penetration rates in inches for a year. Okay, IPY. Okay, inches for a year, or it may be say mils for a year is MPY. Okay, where 1 mil is 1/4 of 10 to the power of 3 inches. They are also expressed by a weight loss of in milligrams for square in decimeter per day. It is called MDD. So this is the one I was talking about in the plant. When they are doing the lab scale and pilot scale, they put a metal piece, a uniform metal piece. It is called coupon. The coupon is the metal piece which they are going to use for the fabrication or material specifications. They have the certain dimensions as for the standards. That square piece with a thickness, all that is kept in the reaction flask or pilot scale reactors or reactors. So there what happens is when they weigh that weight of that coupon, that is the piece of metal cake, and then they measure it after the reaction and they check for the MDD. So that tells that the chemistry is doing that. In corrosion testing, corrosion rate is measured by the reduction in weight of a specific known area over a fixed period of time. Okay, the equation is given by IPY equals 12W by TA and rho. Okay, where W is the mass loss in time, T, that is in LB or grams mass hour. T is the time for a year. A is the surface area, feet square. Rho is the density of the material, and also the rates are in imperial units. They are also expressed in SI units. Okay, SI units, it will be 1 IPY is 25 mm for year. Okay, and talking about galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion occurs when two different metals have the physical and electrical contact with each other or immersed in a common electrolyte, or when same metals are exposed to electrolyte with different concentrations. In a galvanic couple, the more active metal anode corrodes and accelerated the rate, and the more noble metal, that is cathode, corrodes at the lower rate. Okay.